Composite materials are lightweight, fibre-reinforced polymer materials that are being used to replace metals.
It's a material that has a lot of different applications, but it has limitations and it has certain complexities associated with the design and manufacture. If we can understand those better, we will be able to help industry utilise this material in a more efficient way.
Well, we have at present 12 companies involved in the Composite Materials Competence Centre, varying from large multinational companies down to small and medium-sized enterprise like ourselves, Composites. The advantage of being involved in the Competence Centre is that it gives these companies access to industrially focused research at an earlier stage than they otherwise would have. This then gives the companies a competitive advantage internationally. The industry has identified three main research topics for the Competence Centre. The first one is in the area of joining of composites. That would include adhesive bonding and welding of thermoplastic composites. The second area is in resin infusion of composite structures, and the third area is in nano-composites.
Well, there's several benefits. The one is that it provides us a way of getting into industry and finding out what the real problems are. So it's a way in which we can identify new themes. We can align our research agenda with what industry is looking for. The second thing is to get continual funding, and this is very important. It's very hard to keep really good researchers here if you can only offer them 1 year or 2 years research. But if you can keep a longer research program going, that's very beneficial.
I think it makes it easier for the individual companies to have a general involvement in a competence centre, and then if there's a particular topic which is of particular interest to them, then they can go deeper with the host institution with that particular topic. I'd like to see within a 3-year period the Composite Materials Competence Centre having 2 or 3 pieces of patentable IP which is licensable and of industrial use to the member companies. I'd also like to see the Composite Materials Competence Centre putting Ireland on the map internationally in composite materials research.